Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will learn how to lock WhatsApp without installing any app. This works on both iOS and Android devices. Let's start right away. The first step, open your WhatsApp application. Then click on this three dot icon. Then click on Setting. Click on Privacy. Then scroll down. Tap on this App Lock option, which is disabled. Here you can unlock the biometric system. Tap on this icon. Then you need to give your fingerprint. You can select here time, automatically lock after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. Then go to back. Now you need to give your fingerprint. That's it for now. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.